Hi my loves, I hope you all are having an amazing day. Today I have a first impression about some keto friendly goodies. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. My loves, I just received this package in the mail and it's from the SmartBakingCompany. I absolutely love their zero net carb bread. I did a first impression about them and now they sent me this package with a few goodies. I've never tried their muffins. These are the Smart, what is this? What is the flavor? I don't know where's the flavor. Oh, chocolate chip muffin, which I'm super excited to try. They also sent me the banana nut. I have here the apple cinnamon. And we also have the, okay, let's see. Smart bun. This is the sesame. And here we have the Smart Cake Beyond gluten-free, and I'm super excited to try these. I'm going to be doing the first impression about the Smart Muffins. They have three flavors. The first one is banana nut, apple cinnamon. They also have the chocolate chip. Each box is $8.95. And you can buy them by themselves, but you can also buy them as packs. Right now they have like a sale where you save a little bit of money when you buy the pack. So yes, I'm gonna leave below the links and also a coupon code so you can save money. I think it's 10%, which is always good. So yes, I'm going to be sharing with you the first impression of each flavor. I'm gonna just tell you what I think. These are zero net carbs, zero sugar. These are high in fiber, so if you're in a low carb lifestyle or keto like me, you will love these. Well, hopefully, because we're gonna try them in this video. So yes, this is how they look. This is a good size, and here we have the other two. I wish you could smell this muffin. It smells so good. First impression, it's very crumbly. Tastes amazing. It's very like fluffy. Looks really pretty. You guys see? This one I like, but I don't love it as much as the. I like it. It tastes good. It's a good dessert, or I like it, but it's not as good as the banana one. I love the banana one. It's so good. Okay, last but not least, the Smart Muffin Apple Cinnamon. Okay, looks really pretty. I like it. I think my favorite flavor is the banana nut, Smart Muffin, then the apple cinnamon, and then the chocolate chip. The three flavors were delicious. I have to be honest, they taste so good, but my favorite is the banana nut. So yes, I highly recommend them. I approve them. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed this first impression. Kisses and see you guys next time. By the way, I will be leaving below the first impression of the Smart Bun and a coupon code in case you want a discount in your order. Okay, kisses and see you guys next time. Bye.